Let's fix your iPhone messages going from blue over to green. Now, if you're on an iPhone, you'll notice, of course, different messages are either blue in the background or green in the background. The difference between the blue and the green is basically whether it's iMessage, whether you're texting another person with an Apple device, or if it's green, it's through SMS, a text message to an Android user. Now, if you open up messages, say, I'll show you an example. Let's just go here. You can see everything is green here. That means this other person has an Android that they're texting with. And then you go to this one and you can see everything is blue, meaning that the other person has an iPhone. Now, for it to have a blue text message bubble, it requires that iMessage is working both on your phone as well as the other person's phone. So of course, I'm going to walk you through steps to fix it on your phone, but it might be an issue with the other person's phone, which you'll want to keep in mind. So let's get out of here and we'll go into our settings and scroll down until we get to messages here. Now, the key thing that we want to do next to iMessage is toggle that off and then toggle it back on. And you can see waiting for activation, so it will reactivate your iMessage so that you can send and receive these blue, basically text messages through iMessage. So once you do that, that is toggled on, that is working. And let's get out of here and open up a web browser and we'll just type in speed test. We just want to make sure you have an internet connection because any of those blue message bubbles going through iMessage are through internet, not through your cell carrier. So run a quick speed test, and if it's faster than a few megabytes per second, then you're good to go. So that means it's fixed on your end. Your iMessage is working. Now, keep in mind, it could be a result of the other person's phone. So a couple of reasons why. They could have really bad signal in terms of their internet, Wi-Fi, cellular data. So it's switching over from using iMessage over to SMS because maybe they have a cell phone signal, but not an internet signal is one reason. Another reason is potentially their phone is on airplane mode. A lot of times then it won't be sent through iMessage, it'll be sent through SMS instead as a green text message bubble. And then another reason potentially is that they blocked you. So if they blocked you, then it will switch from a blue bubble over to a green bubble because basically on iMessage, it's saying they can't receive it. So it'll try again as an SMS, as a green text message. But of course, if they block you, they won't see that message. So most likely, if it switched from a blue bubble to a green bubble, you can just do these steps and then just wait to see if they get it fixed on their end, or just send them this video to walk through the steps themselves, and it should all be solved. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.